Hello friends, in this video I wanted to show you how to fix right click copy and paste not working. So to resolve this issue, there is one manual method and it will work for some users. So in case you have not any option, so you can use this method. So firstly click on start, then type CMD, run as administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now type this command line CMD space slash C, this quotation symbol, echo of, now this symbol, clip, and quotation, then press enter. Now open Notepad. Now copy and try to paste. So hopefully it will work. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.